Hello, scholars. This is a quick tutorial on how to sign up and download Zoom. So, what you want to do is actually go to zoom.us/sign up or zoom.us and just click that sign up button, whichever one is easier. So, fun fact, you need to be 16 or older to have an account. So, let's say my birthday is September 2nd. Bare minimum, I need to have a birth date of, oh snap, give me a second to do math, 2004. Let's make it September 1st just to be safe. All right, I'm going to continue. So now, do your work email address. This is my spam email that I never check. And then I press sign up. They're going to send it and have you confirm. So give me 1 second. All right, so I went to Gmail and I went to my spam. I had to reset my password because I completely forgot it. I'm going to activate the account. Yes. Ooh. Eh. Just kidding. You're not doing it on behalf. You're just a scholar. So now you're going to put in your first name, last name. So my name, last name, and then come up with a password. So, okay. Oh, dang it. Keyboard smashes don't even work. Okay. Um, Boom. Okay. Doesn't matter. I'm going to skip that step. I'm going to ignore that. And then I want to go to my account. Okay. And so it tells you all this information. Cool. You have an account. You can change your photo. Please make sure it's school appropriate.